Have you ever received the results of a routine screening, like a pap smear, and found out something was a little out of the ordinary? It can feel unsettling, but these moments are exactly why early detection is so powerful. A colposcopy and cervical biopsy are important follow-up procedures often recommended after an abnormal pap smear. A colposcopy is a detailed examination of your cervix, vagina, and vulva using a special magnifying instrument called a colposcope. During this examination, if any suspicious areas are identified, a cervical biopsy is performed, which involves taking small tissue samples for further analysis. These procedures work together to help doctors determine the exact nature and severity of any cellular changes. The primary reason for these procedures is to investigate abnormal cells found during a pap smear and to rule out or diagnose cervical cancer or precancerous conditions. A pap smear screens for changes, but it does not diagnose cancer. The colposcope allows your doctor to see these areas much more clearly, often using a vinegar solution to highlight abnormal cells that might be invisible to the naked. The biopsy then provides actual tissue samples, which are sent to a laboratory for a pathologist to examine under a microscope. This examination is crucial because it differentiates between minor, often temporary, cellular changes and more significant, potentially precancerous or cancerous conditions, guiding the next steps in your care. When preparing for a colposcopy, your doctor might suggest avoiding vaginal creams or douches for 24 to 48 hours beforehand. During the procedure, you will lie on an examination table, much like a pap smear, and the doctor will insert a speculum. The colposcope remains outside your body as the doctor views your cervix. If a biopsy is needed, you might feel a mild pinch or cramp as the tiny tissue samples are taken. Your doctor will provide specific instructions for aftercare, which might include avoiding certain activities for a short time. One important detail to know is that these procedures are not just about diagnosis. They are also a key part of informed decision-making. The results help your healthcare team choose the most appropriate treatment plan, which could range from watchful waiting to further interventions, based on the specific type and grade of abnormal cells found. Understanding these procedures empowers you to take an active role in your health journey. Ultimately, a colposcopy and cervical biopsy provide a clearer picture of your cervical health, transforming uncertainty into actionable knowledge. These steps are vital in protecting your health, ensuring that any changes are identified and addressed promptly, and giving you peace of mind about your well-being.